If you love rich, colorful, and flavor packed Nigerian soups, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm showing you how to make authentic Eforiro soup loaded with fresh vegetables, perfectly seasoned, and absolutely irresistible. Trust me, this one will have you licking your fingers. So, let's get cooking. The first ingredient I'll be introducing is fresh fish, prawns, fresh one as well. Then I have shaki cooked already. I have dry prawns. I have here some fish I brought out from the freezer, mackerel fish and hake fish, which I grill with my air fryer. Then I have catfish, bonga fish, and some dry prawns, which I will be using as well. Here I'll be using two types of fresh leaf. I have the spinach leaf and herbs leaves, which also look like spinach, but it's not spinach. So in this pot, I went ahead to cook some of the beef and goat meat. So I will just go ahead to remove that from the water and then sieve the water because I'll be using it for later purposes. So guys, if you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and happy new year. This is the first video I'll be uploading. Happy new year guys. Hope your Christmas went well. This new year is going to be a great year for us. So guys, here I will be frying the fresh macrofish. I'll be adding some paprika, pepper and some salt. And then I'll go ahead to just place that into my parchment paper and then set up the timing for the air fryer and then air fry that, because since I discovered how to use my air fryer, I've been using it and it has really been helping me. No more using oil to fry. So guys, if you want to also try it out, you can use your air fryer to do whatever you want to do. So while that is a frying, we'll move over to our fish. Now I'll go ahead to add some salt. This is what I normally do when I have dry fish. I want to use it to cook. I'll just go ahead to add some salt and then add some boiled water so that it will wash up any dirt, any stain, and then I will debone everything later. I'll just give this to sit for 5 to 6 minutes. Now moving to our leaves, our spinach, our fresh leaf, I'll just go ahead to blanch this up. I've already boiled the water, then I added the spinach into it. I'll just allow that to sit for a few minutes and then I'll take it off the water. So after taking off the water, the next thing I'll be doing is to take it straight to under the running water, which I will allow cold water. If you have ice block, you can just add it to it, but I was not having ice at that point. So the water that was coming out from this place was very cold. So I put that aside. Now over to our cooking. In a clean pan, I'll be adding some palm oil. So please do not mind the quantity of oil I added to it. You can use any quantity of your choice. I'll allow that to hot for some minutes and then I'll go ahead to add some fresh diced onions. I love onions in my food. That is why I have them like this. So I'll add some fresh pepper, aka atarodo, the one you know you can tolerate, and then fry this for a few minutes. The next thing I'll be adding is our daily dawa. This is dry ogiri, so I'll just go ahead to add this into it. Next I'll be adding some blended crayfish. Guys, remember we are building up flavor. So I'll add 2 3 tablespoons of that. Then I will stir everything up. At this point, my kitchen smells so divine. Nice aroma. The next thing I'll be doing is to add the tomatoes. If you have fresh tomatoes, you can use that as well. So I was able to lay my hands on this, so I just use this. And then after adding it, I'll go ahead to stir this up. Guys, if you have watched up to this point and you're interested in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll cover this to cook for a few minutes. I will open up the pan. Next, I will go ahead to stir this up. Don't forget to stir your food time to time when you are cooking. The next thing I'll be doing is to add the onga. Remember, I've already deboned it. Now I'll be adding all the catfish that I deboned, even the fresh prawns that I removed the back and everything, including the fish that I brought out from the freezer, which I fried. So I will just add everything to it. This is called rishi. So I will stir this up and then I will cover this to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Then I'll open up the pan. Next, I'll be adding the fresh microfish I air fried. Then I'll also go ahead to add the beef and the goat meat. I also air fried that as well. This is the reason why you need air fryer in your kitchen. So now I'll be adding the stock meat, the one we removed earlier on from the beef and the goat meat that I boiled. So guys, now I'll be adding the cooked shaki. Then I'll give everything a good stir. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you have watched up to this point. So, guys, I will cover this up to cook for another minute. While that is cooking, I'll go ahead to slice the vegetables and then I'll go back to the pot of soup, guys. This is so divine, smelling nice and smelling divine. So, guys, I will stir this up and now I'll be introducing the spinach. I'll go ahead to add this. If you have fresh ugu leaf, you can also use that as well. But where I am in the diaspora, so I can't be able to lay my hands on fresh ugu leaf. After adding the leaves, I'll go ahead to add more crayfish. That is why it's called Eforiro. If you know you don't like crayfish, you can skip this part. Then I'll cover this to cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Then I'll open up the pan. Now I will go ahead to stir this up. Our soup is coming together gradually. So allow that to cook again for another few minutes, guys. Can you see that? Can you see how green the leaf is? So if you will be trying this, let me know in the comment section. If you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So after cooking, guys, this is what we have. Our Eforiro soup is ready. So easy and so simple to put together. Will you be trying this? And also, what will you pair this up with? I paired mine with some pounded yam. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.